Right now, I am holding Vaseline Petroleum Jelly Original. And in this video, we're going to talk about how you can use Vaseline Petroleum Jelly to regrow your hair, to stop hair fall, to soften your hair, and at the same time to prevent itching of your hair. So what you have to do is to get yourself Vaseline Petroleum Jelly Original. Remember, such videos are for both men and women. And I always tell you, if you love my content, if you're on TikTok, Facebook, go to YouTube, look for Coach Uganda YouTube channel and subscribe. Remember, subscribing is for free of charge. And when you subscribe, it helps me and at the same time, it helps you. So right now, we're going to learn how to use Vaseline Petroleum Jelly for your hair treatment. Remember, when you know this amazing home remedy, my dear, you won't remain the same. You'll get a difference when it comes to your hair treatment. That's why I'm recommending you to subscribe, to watch the video from the beginning up to the end. And my dear, you can leave a comment after completing this video. Remember, my name is Coach Uganda. I come from Uganda. What about you? I would like to know where you come from. Leave the name of your country in the comment section. This video is for educational purpose only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or to prevent any disease. Remember, results may vary from a person to a person, since we are different people. So, without wasting a lot of time, let us go to our preparation. I'll be back and tell you more about this home remedy after knowing the preparation. Now, these are our 2 ingredients we need for this home remedy to take place. As you see, I'm holding Vaseline Petroleum Jelly Original. As you see, guys, it means you have to look for Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. And besides this, we have clove powder, okay? We have clove powder, guys. I always tell you, if you don't know how these ingredients look like, you can research from internet. But clove powder is easy to get so long as you go to your nearby markets, local markets, and nearby shop. You can get clove powder. But this home remedy, trust me, if you are suffering from hair growth, you'd like to grow your hair fast and naturally using natural ingredients, you need this amazing home remedy. The same to you if you have the problem of hair fall, hair breakage, itching, you also need this amazing home remedy, guys. But before I proceed, my dear, I always tell you, before you finish this video, please leave a comment in the comment section and invite your friends to this YouTube channel, Coach Uganda. And remember, my dear, if you're on TikTok, Facebook, for such amazing videos, you can go to YouTube, look for Coach Uganda YouTube channel. Remember, you can join my membership. You pay at least small amount of money every month and you get exclusive information from Coach Uganda. Private videos, private consultation, just after paying little amount of money. So right now, we're going to start our preparation, okay, for this amazing home remedy. Don't forget to watch the video from the beginning up the end, because at the end I will tell you how to use this amazing home remedy, when to use it, and for how long to use it. Just using only 2 different ingredients, clove powder and Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. First of all, I want you to get for me empty bottle. It can be a metallic bottle or it can be a plastic bottle, okay, as you see, okay, as you see, okay, as you see, guys. Now, here, we're going to add just 1 tablespoon of Vaseline Petroleum Jelly, okay, just 1 tablespoon of Vaseline Petroleum Jelly, okay. You bring it here, Okay, bring it here, as you see, guys. Okay, now from there, we're going to get a saucepan which has water, and you're going to warm that water. After warming it, you're going to insert this glass into your saucepan so that Vaseline can melt. You're going to warm this water. From that, we want our Vaseline to melt. Trust me, this is amazing home remedy, no side effects. Remember, when you are using this amazing home remedy, when you are applying it on your scalp and you start feeling itching, redness, burning of your scalp, you have to stop there. Okay? And such amazing home remedy, to get good results, you have to be eating at least food which contains proteins, iron, zinc. That food will help you to regrow your hair, to prevent hair fall. Since some people, you don't eat very well. So you bring it here, so long as this Vaseline melts into this glass, until it melts, guys. Okay, here we go, until it melts. This video is for educational purpose only. It does not intend to treat, diagnose, or to prevent any disease. Results may vary from a person to a person, since we are different and we have different types of skin. So expect results, but on different stages. Okay, this is educational content only. Okay, so guys, as you see, we are trying to melt our Vaseline, as you see, guys, slowly. This is a magical home remedy which you can use at home for your hair to be treated good. Trust me. Okay, as you see. Remember, we still have our clove powder. Okay, yes, here we go. Make sure that this Vaseline melts all. This is what I'm trying to do right now. But guys, don't forget to subscribe, guys, to my YouTube channel if you have never subscribed. Invite your friends to my YouTube channel, as usual. I always tell you, if you're on TikTok and Facebook and Instagram, go to YouTube, look for Coach Uganda YouTube channel and subscribe. Yes. I always upload amazing educative videos for both men and women. This is so amazing educational content which I always upload, guys. Okay? So, as you see, guys, as you see our Vaseline has dissolved. So we need again clove powder. I told you, clove powder. Okay, here we go. Also, you're going to add a half teaspoon. Okay, you're going to add a half teaspoon. A half, guys, don't forget, a half teaspoon of clove powder. As you see, guys, now you're going to add just a half, not a lot. Guys, this is enough. You bring it here. So you're going to mix again very well. As you see, very amazing home remedy for your hair treatment. But remember, when you're applying this home remedy on your scalp, if you feel like itching, redness, burning, you stop immediately. Sometimes I advise you to first test it on your skin. If your skin reacts badly, you don't use it. But if your skin doesn't react badly, you continue using this home remedy. So here we go, guys. Now, when you add clove powder, after adding your clove powder, I want you to continue heating your home remedy on a cool heat. use a cool heat, not a lot of heat, but a cool heat for 15 minutes. After adding your clove powder, at first dissolve your Vaseline petroleum jelly, then later add clove powder. After adding clove powder, make it on a cool heat for 15 minutes. Guys, are we together? Yes, as you see, for 15 minutes. So, after my 15 minutes, because I'm just showing you, here it is. This is how it looks like, guys. Okay? This is how it looks like. Okay? This is how it looks like, guys. So, from that, you are going to leave your remedy to cool very well. To cool very well. When I talk about cooling, leave it to cool. Don't use it when it's still warm. Leave it to cool, then you'll see what's next, guys. Okay? Here we go. Very interesting and very easy to make at home. So if you are struggling for hair growth, hair treatment, why not? So right now we are trying to cool our home remedy, as you see, guys. This is our home remedy which we have prepared. And I hope, guys, you have learned different procedures, what you need for this to take place. Just 2 ingredients or 2 products, Vaseline petroleum jelly and clove powder. When you get those 2 ingredients, my dear, for your hair treatment, it won't disturb you from day one up the end. Since this amazing home remedy doesn't have side effects on your hair and doesn't have overdose since you don't drink it. So remember, just get your products, keep them in your house, then later experience good results for your hair treatment. Before I tell you how to use it, as I told you, my name is Coach Uganda. I come from Uganda. I would like to know where you come from. In fact, we can be friends right now by subscribing, by inviting your friends to my YouTube channel, and of course, by sharing this video to your friends on Facebook and on TikTok, and at the same time to your WhatsApp statuses. So when you're using this amazing home remedy and you witness itching, redness, burning on your scalp, my dear, don't use it. Stop it immediately. I would recommend you to use this amazing home remedy, okay, after testing it on your skin somewhere, like here. If it reacts badly, you don't use it. But if it shows you that it's good, you can apply it on your scalp. How are you going to use this amazing home remedy? And for how long? Okay, so you're going to get this amazing home remedy, guys, as you see. Okay, as you see, guys. Okay, you're going to apply it directly on your scalp. Massage gently in a circular motion for 3 minutes all over your head. Okay, for 3 minutes. From that, I want you to leave it for 30 minutes and use mild shampoo to clean your hair. I would advise you to do it at night and leave it on your head or in your hair overnight. If you have time. If you don't have time, do it during daytime. Massaging it for 3 minutes on your scalp. Leave it to stand there for 30 minutes. Then use water and mild shampoo to wash your hair. But I advise you do it at night. Sleep with it in the morning. Wash it. Okay? Do it only 2 times in the week. On Monday and on Tuesday. Or Tuesday and Friday. Only 2 days in the week. Because this is an amazing strong remedy which will give you what you want. Which will give you what you'd like to get. So 2 products, Vaseline petroleum jelly and clove powder, you'll get this. Okay, you'll get this. When you make a lot, when you use and you don't complete it, you can keep it somewhere. Not in the fridge, not in the cooler. Then you keep using it, guys. My name is Coach Uganda. I'd like to know where you come from. And I'd like to know the results after using this home remedy, because I feel happy when you get good results. Okay? Subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, and see you soon to the next video.